The word can't is a contraction for cannot. Combined with help, you are communicating something you are unable to control or having a hard time gaining a grasp for. This can be a physical or mental action. Here are some examples. I can't help thinking about it. I can't help shopping so much. I can't help working all the time. I can't help smiling when I see her. I cannot help feeling so sad. I can't help loving you.